Hello, I am just getting ready to take down this light fixture that was up here, that's been up here, this crappy one. And yeah, it's exciting. I bought this this light fixture that I'm gonna put up. I bought it at Home Depot like probably 6 months ago or so, and 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. And it's just been sitting out here because we had a tornado come through this summer, and there was, we had to repair the roof and do certain little things like that, and we had more leaks and stuff, and I didn't want to throw an LED up there in case there was a leak, because then it, just instantly be shorted out and just a giant waste. So I'm glad that I have the opportunity to take care of this now. Itty bitty one over here somewhere. That's right, I was going to put on some nitro gloves because I don't want to get insulation all over my hands. Okay, I gotta double check to make sure that, I think I've got extra junction boxes here, if nothing else. I always have enough crap to take care of what I need to. Hello. My water ended up freezing because I'm dumb and I forgot that my partner had plugged in our heat wire up to the plug-in on the inside of the kitchen area, and I turned this electricity off. So that ended up getting frozen, and I did take care of that. So I ended up coming back and kind of just putting some plastic up here to get the insulation up and out of the way, and just kind of in case anything, if there's a leak at all in the roof above there in the future or anything like that, then it doesn't just drain right down onto the light. It'll channel down through there on each side and hopefully just go to the sides. And I ended up pulling some wire because the wire wasn't long enough for where the center point would be. Is about, I do not know somewhere around here. I had kind of marked it. Yeah, it's right there. Then the hanger bracket, it kind of requires a box, which I did have. It was out in the truck, but it requires a box and then something to hang on each side there. So pretty much what I plan on doing is I made these little hanger type things, and I'll get them screwed up into place, and yeah, just get going from there. And then these all need to be drilled into with this, or with these washers and these little screws. Little hooks to hang it from, so it's nice and easy to get your wiring done. Oh, I have to reposition my stool again. You know what? I don't even know if I care about pulling that one out. If it were a client, I would be doing it. This is my place, and honestly, it doesn't really matter too much to me. As long as it's up and it's good. Yeah, that's just gonna stay there. Okay. I have to go turn on the electricity. We'll see how it is. I'm gonna have to shim up a little bit around it, but that's perfectly fine. I said shim, I meant trim. Like I said, it's been a long day. Nice. Perfect. That illuminates a crap ton in here. I've got to do some cleanup, but I mean, I know I took some shots of the light in here before, so. But yeah, it's a heck of a lot better.